Hi guys, here is a comparison video of the Annual Novo 7 Paladin and the Micromax Funbook tablet along with the Novo 7 ELF tablet. So for your information, first of all, when you talk about the pricing factor, both of these tablets is the Micromax Funbook tablet, the Novo 7 Paladin would almost be priced in the same range, that's around $100 in the market, while the ELF tablet costs almost the double of both of these. So that's the major difference, because if you're looking to buy a budget tablet, then I would suggest you to go for one of these and not the ELF one. Now when you talk about the hardware specifications, as you can see, in looks point of view, the Funbook and the ELF almost look clone of each other in terms of the thickness and all other different factors, while the Novo 7 Paladin is a little bit more thicker when compared to the first two. As you can see here, the Micromax Funbook is the slimmest of all, then the ELF, and then the Paladin. So that's talking about the thickness. And when you talk about the hardware functions, the Funbook comes with 1.2 GHz processor, the ELF also comes with 1.2 GHz processor, and the Paladin comes with 1 GHz processor. So there's a little bit difference in the terms of processor, but again you cannot expect much difference because most of these tablets come with, all of these come with pre-installed ice cream sandwich, and the OS is optimized for the same. Now another major important feature here is that the Novo 7 Paladin was the first Android ice cream sandwich tablet in the Chinese market, which was sold in huge numbers. And a disadvantage of this tablet is that there is no front camera in this, so that means that you won't get a facility of enjoying a video calling feature on this tablet. Apart from that, if you actually visit into the features of this tablet, you would, I'm to say, if you visit the home screen of this tablet, you would find that almost both of the applications and everything are same, and there's not much difference in the same. And talking about the battery capacity, the Micromax Funbook tablet comes with 2800 mAh capacity, while the ELF tablet, that's the Novo 7 ELF, comes with 3700 mAh capacity, and the Novo 7 Paladin comes with 4000 mAh. So that means that this tablet has the maximum capacity. And if you would need a suggestion on which one you should be buying, then I would say you should be going for the Paladin or the Micromax Funbook, depending on your usage. If you're a person who generally opts for very less video calls, then Paladin is a very good choice because you get a better battery backup and the tablet would run for a longer period, along with which it's cheaper, at least when compared to the Funbook itself, by a few $100, or say around $10 to $20 more cheaper. But again, if you're a person who would also like to have the option of connecting to the internet using a USB dongle, then the Micromax Funbook comes in place, because this tablet supports a USB dongle connectivity feature on the bottom, and you can, right now it's actually limited only to the Tata Photon internet service, which is available in India. But again, there are reports that you can also use any other USB dongle by routing the device. But for your information, again, the Micromax Funbook comes pre-routed, so there's no need to root this tablet, and generally it's suggested that we would suggest you to check out different guides using which you can find which USB dongle would be better for you and which you can use it here. So this was a quick review and a comparison of all these different tablets based on the pricing and the features they offer you. All of them come with a bunch of bloated applications or bloatware apps, and which you can uninstall and then enjoy the features of these tablets. Apart from that, there are many other different tablets which we would be again comparing, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Thank you.
Mama.